That's really good. The Hubsan app started all on its own. Oh, the GPS test failed. Let's see if we can do it again. Okay, so we're going to start recording. Yes.
Refresh the return point. Please mind the return position.
Alright guys, I'm under the umbrella. It's a hot day, a very hot day. I'm going to just give it a quick little go here. Seems to be flying real well. Increasing in altitude. Gonna hold it there for a second. Push the antenna down. "45 meters in height." I'm going to bring it up to 80 meters or so. And just going to let it rock. Let's see it flying over there. Slide it a little bit to the right. Okay. Overshot my height by 10 meters, 16 meters. I'm going to bring it down a little bit. Bring it 90 meters. We're half a kilometer away. Approaching 0.6 kilometers. Seems to be doing just great. Signals are strong. Got 12 satellites. Signals are strong. Alright guys, so that's 1 kilometer right there. Signals are strong. FPV and controller signals are fine. Approaching 1.5 kilometers, 100 meters in height. 1.7 kilometers. Increasing in altitude. 1.9 kilometers. Alright, that's 2 kilometers there. Signals are strong. Battery is at 84%. 82% battery. Seems to be doing just fine. 2.5 kilometers. So we're now at 2.6 kilometers. And I'm going to bring it back. I've been having a series of bad luck, so I am just going to return it back at 2.7.
Signal Pro. Please adjust the antenna.
So I'm glad I did that because it said that I needed to adjust my antenna. Camera down. Classic drone shots. Flying at 10 meters a second. Approaching 2.3 kilometers. There we go. And returning manually back to the location where I was at on the lake. Pointing the camera back up. looking pretty good, guys. You can start seeing the lake right there. So I'm going to fly a little bit to the left, avoid the houses. Go right down the trees. There we go. That's the way I want it to be. Right here. Right down the middle here, avoiding houses. And definitely can see the location where we need to be at. Good. Looking good. Trying to avoid flying right on top of people. A little to the left of them. That's good. Pointing the camera up. There's that cow pond there. And there's the lake. There we are. Got a pretty good heading, guys. Looking pretty good. Continue to decrease altitude. Raise the camera. $50 meters, about 150 feet. So here we are, coming back home, guys. So there we are. Wow. Drop the altitude, bring it a little closer. Alright, got a warning here, 39% battery. Alright guys, really nice range test. God, got 2.7 kilometers. Unbelievable. Man, that's just amazing to me that these crafts can do that. Just really amazing. Go bring it in for a landing. Yeah, it's just amazing to me. Well done, Zino. Super well done. Let me step out of here in the sun. So there I am, guys. Zino, 2.7 kilometers. Unbelievable. Signal was strong. I got a little weak there at the end of 2.6 kilometers, but other than that, it did fantastically well. Alright, well done, guys. As usual, if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. If you like the content of the channel, boom, boom. Hit that subscribe button, guys. Okay, let's bring this thing down. I think I'm just going to hand catch it. It's much easier. Are you ready? We're going to do the hand catch, man. Hey! I just finished doing the review.
Awesome.
Come sit and join me.
I think, you know what, I'm actually going to go call a friend out on the kayak.
Oh, yay! There we go. Now we're talking.
Not bad either.
Heck no. It's very peaceful out here, isn't it?
It doesn't seem like there's that many people around.
No, it's down here is the nice thing about it. Stop recording. Yes, that's right.